mass balance approach is already applied in the production of TROGAMID eCO. This high-purity, transparent polyamide is specifically optimized for the optics industry. This material is also used in other industries, where the combination of transparency, outstanding mechanical performance and high thermal resistance are highly valued. To produce TROGAMID eCO, we substitute up to 100% of fossil resources with biocircular raw materials in the value chain. And these biocircular raw materials could be residues from forestry or agriculture. In addition, we use green power for the production of this polymer. All of these measures result in a carbon footprint reduction of around 50%. Our sustainable manufacturing process does not alter the properties of the final product. Our customers can easily use this material within the existing processes without changing anything. Several of our partners have already implemented this approach in 2021, and together we are driving the sustainable transformation of the industry.
Evonik, leading beyond chemistry.